Hello everybody, I'm glad to welcome you on my channel, and I'm going to unbox this CQ2 calculator with you. It's a very old calculator from the 70s, and I hope it works well. It's complete. Well, we have the sort of documentation here. It's in Spanish. Well, I think I will put it on the side. What else do we have? Oh, the calculator looks nice. Yeah, CQ2. You know, it's the following item after the CQ1 you will find on my website as well. And the manual, the operation manual of the Casio CQ2, only in English. Yes. Well, it's nice to have the manual. So let's see the calculator and let's see the batteries. Two small and one big one. Let's try it. Oh, okay. Let's try some calculation. Okay, it works. Okay, that's fine. What else do we have? Well, we can try to set the time and the date as well. Let's set my date of birth. 67, date, November, date, 30, date. Okay, so it works. And the time, it's 10:50 p.m. and time. Okay, let's try it. I put in a time zone. I press time. Yes, the 10:50 with a dot to express the afternoon, and the reminding of the date with 30. Okay, it works fine. I'm glad to have it in my collection.